This brand is a part of the Dimplex Group of Ireland, and the fireplaces can be purchased through various online retailers as well as their Amazon store. The Revillusion models are recessed wall-mount fireplaces with traditional styling that includes a herringbone brick interior with soot markings. They have realistic-looking log sets, and the units are available in 30, 36, or 42-inch sizes, but they are only backed by an average guarantee. The Ignite XL models are linear recessed wall mount units that are available in 4 sizes. They feature their Comfort Saver ceramic heating system, which automatically adjusts the fan speed and heater wattage to match the heating needs of the room. They feature an accurate electronic thermostat and a remote control, as well as a very good guarantee, but the remote does not sense the room temperature. The Morgan model has a 23-inch freestanding electric fireplace with a mantle and a remote control, but their guarantee is not as good as the other models. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.